It's vadas. Ting, 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 ting. We are we are extremely jobless that we are scouting for unpainted areas in the house, and we are going to paint them. Moving on to the next area. Oh my god. Okay, this looks odd. Can you paint this? Go. Please remove this pot.
మెల్లగా
Perfect.
Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.
నీకు ఏం స్మెల్ అనిపిస్తుంది? లిస్టరిన్ స్మెల్ లెక్క లేదు? This is Rashmi's first job. It looks little rusty, but check this out. This is smooth. I don't know if you can tell in this video, but first we have to apply primer and then the coat. But these guys have missed the primer and directly applied the coat. It kind of looks patchy, but it's okay. After a tiring effort of painting, some chocolate milk. Of course, but I didn't do anything. Mintu and Rashmi did the job. I just stood there. ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. మంచిగా ఉంది కదా?
బాగుంది.
మరి బాగాలేను
చాక్లెట్
ఆఫ్టర్ చాక్లెట్ మిల్క్ పల్పీ ఆరెంజ్. Refreshing. I love technology and I love gadgets, and also I can't stop appreciating the early adopters of technology. My father-in-law decided to install a smart fan in his newly built penthouse, and I give a big thumbs up for his decision. This is an Orient smart fan. I think the model is iFloat. Yeah, this comes with a remote. By the way, this is not an endorsement for Orient fans. I told you that it comes with a remote, and you can also operate this using a smartphone. First, let's figure out the remote, and then we'll move on to the smart. Where is the remote? Yes. The LCD display. This is smooth. This is a mode. This is a timer. This is increased fan speed and this is decreased fan speed. I don't know what this is. This looks like reversing the direction of the fan, and this is the power button. Looks like there is a minor lag when you turn this on. Not a big deal. I just found out that this fan has a very interesting feature. It saves the state of the fan when you turn this off. So, and when you power this on, it automatically resumes from the same state. So let's say when you turn this off, the fan speed was 2, and when you turn this on again, it again resumes at fan speed 2. That's a cool feature. Let me demonstrate this to you. Let's say I increase the speed to 3, and let's shut this fan. Also, when you turn this, when you press the power off, it shows a F. Let it come to a complete halt. Now let me turn on again. Now the last time we turned this off, it was 3. So if I press minus, this should take me to 2. Now let us see how this reverse works. Let me click reverse and see what happens. This is, as soon as I click the reverse, it turned it off, and right now this is anti-clockwise. If I'm right, now this should turn in this direction. Ha 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 ha. I'm not sure how much useful this is, but this is cool. This is at a minimum speed, so I think this is a fan increase. Reverse direction, fan increase speed. And I think in the reverse direction you can only go up to 3, whereas in the normal direction you can go up to 5. And let me explain about modes. This is the turbo mode. When in turbo mode, the fan revolves at top speed. And you know that there is delay, so okay, so now I think we have changed it to the normal mode. So I think it will stop rotating in the clockwise direction, and it should run in the anti-clockwise direction. Ooh. Okay. You see, this is top speed, and this is, I don't know what this is. Let me check the manual. Okay. And this is sleep. Sleep will be displayed. There are 4 modes in this fan. I'm not sure if anybody uses sleep or breeze. Those are really weird features. And also not sure about reverse. Yeah, normal and turbo are helpful. Now let's try using the app. First we have to download, I think, Orient Smart. You have to register with your you have to register with your email ID. You get a verification code, and after entering the verification code, it will ask you to set a password. So let me do this. And password.
Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I to taste flavors?
Looks like we have to reset the device first. Let me see the instructions on how to reset it.
so flagrant? Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.
Phew, finally figured this out. So let us test it now. When you use the smartphone app, the lag is little more. The lag is little more than the remote for the first time, but it's not a deal breaker. Let's turn it off immediately.
Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest.
I think that concludes the. What in the hell is that?
Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch.